Hi there, hi, my name is Claire and I'm from Hearth Nature Connection Workshops in collaboration with the Small Woods Association. Today I'm going to show you how to make elderberry syrup. Here we are, this is what you're going to make. Fantastic this time of year to be making your very own medicinal syrup for the winter months ahead. This elderberry syrup is full of vitamin C. So I'm just here with the elder tree itself, found commonly in hedgerows all over the UK.
Here's the kit you're going to need. You can find the full information on the activity sheet that you can download at the bottom of the video. So elderberries are from the elder tree. Before the berries we have the elder flowers, which we can make into cordials and wine. But this time of year, late summer, the elderberries are ripe. You want to pick the berries when they're dark black, not when they're red or green. That means they're not quite ready yet. So wait until we have these lovely heavy black rich berries that are soft to touch, and then you harvest them. So don't eat them raw, that's not advised. It can be a bit toxic and can make you feel unwell. So best to cook the berries. We're going to make the syrup in a moment. When any rule of foraging, always leave a third. It's a really good food source for our birds in the UK, like waxwings and blackbirds and pigeons. So leave some for the birds. But this is a beautiful tree, full of abundance, with lots of berries to harvest.
Right, so for this recipe, you're going to need a 1 cup measure like this one. We're going to be using dried elderberries for this recipe. You're going to be able to get elderberries from an online supplier or for your local health food shop. So it means that if you've missed the harvest, and the harvest of elderberries, as I've said, is late summer, but if you missed that for any reason, you can always buy some lovely dried elderberries all year round. So you're going to need 1 cup of elderberries. Put that into your saucepan. So for 1 cup of elderberries, you're going to need 4 cups of water. Now the recipe will slightly differ if you're using fresh elderberries, so don't get that confused. Do follow a dried elderberry recipe and you'll be able to download the activity sheet from this video. So I'm just going to let this now come to the boil with the lid on, and I'm going to simmer for 20 minutes. We've got 20 minutes later now. All those elderberries have infused nicely. I'll take that off. So the next thing you'll need is a bowl. A sieve's quite handy to put underneath your muslin cloth. If you don't have a muslin cloth, a thin tea towel will do absolutely fine. So carefully you're going to strain the elderberries. Just going to get, oops. Okay, so you want to make sure you're harnessing all of the goodness out of these lovely berries. Straining it through the muslin. Okay, so that's the last of the juice coming out of the muslin. Put that to one side. And then you're going to pour carefully this back into your saucepan. I've measured 1 cup of brown sugar. Muscovado will be great, but if you don't have that, dark brown sugar is what I'm using. You can use honey as well. So you're going to add a couple of slices of lemon. I'm going to add a few slices, about 1 inch of ginger, 1 cinnamon quill, and I've got 3 cloves. So all of the instructions will be on the activity sheet, the recipe. So again, I'm going to let that come to the boil. Give it a nice stir. And the sugar's going to act as a preservative. I'll add it a little bit, obviously, and make it a little bit sweet as well. I'm going to put the lid on, let it come to the boil, and then again you're going to let it simmer for another 20 minutes. In this second half of the process, you can be sterilising your jar in your oven. Okay, so that's 20 minutes on the simmer. Just turn that off, and I'm going to just strain it now. Using a lipped saucepan is very useful in this bit. So I'm just using a little strainer to capture all the spices. And there we are. Some super high vitamin elderberry syrup to last you for the winter time. Thanks very much for watching. I'm Claire from Coed Lleol. Please remember to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel where you can check out some more videos. Catch you again.